Welcome back to Joy Tutorials. Today I am going to take Class 8 Biology subject Lesson 3 Story of Microorganisms. First part. Previous we discussed few of activities. Okay, here last part viruses. Some of bacteria, some of protozoan causing diseases we are discussing here. Here viruses are very interesting type. Why? Because these are outside environment. It act like non-living thing. When they are enter inside a human body or plant body, animal body, it will act like living organism. It will utilize all nutrients and it increase population through reproduction. It increases population. More number of viruses will increase. For example, corona, nowadays so many people are affected. Okay, these are act outside environment, non-living thing. When they are enter inside a human body, okay, it will increase more number of viruses, cause so many symptoms like breathing problems, so many. It will attack our internal organs. Okay, here viruses, some viral diseases are corona, swine flu, polio, conjunctivitis, smallpox, chickenpox, AIDS. These are caused by virus. Here some few of images given on textbook. HIV, human immunovirus. Human immunovirus. This HIV attack on humans. Okay. Next one, TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. These are on plants. Tobacco mosaic virus. We observe under plants. These are a few of images of virus. We can observe with the help of powerful electron microscope. Why? Because these are very small. We cannot observe with the help of our naked eye. We can observe with the help of microscope, powerful electron microscope. Electron microscope magnifies more number of times. That's why we can observe with the help of electron microscope. Some of bacteria also. Okay, this is given in textbook. Here, these bacteria are also very small, tiny microorganism. We cannot see with our naked eye. We can observe with the help of microscope. Here, bacteria causes typhoid, TB, tuberculosis, septicemia, nothing but blood poisoning. These are caused by bacteria. Here, virus are, it can survive extreme cold, extreme hot, marshy lands, all climatic conditions are survive this virus. Okay. For example, bacteria, it will die. For example, curd making bacteria, we kept on fridge. Okay, temperature variation will happen, it will die. But here virus are, it can survive all climatic conditions, all places. It will act outside environment, no living thing. When enter inside host, it act like living organism. It can reproduce rapidly. Okay, that is the specialty of virus. Next one, some of fungi will cause skin diseases. Some of fungi will cause skin diseases. Protozoans, some of protozoans causes malaria, amoebiasis. These are caused by protozoans. This is all about microorganisms. Next one, we cannot observe bacteria. First of all, we want to observe bacteria. We have to do stain. Here we have to observe bacteria. That is our aim. Here materials required: lamp, glass slide. Here we have taken smear bacteria. Okay, glass slide, cover slip, microscope, etc. Crystal violet, etc. These are materials required to do this activity. Next one, procedure. We have to take a smear bacteria on slide. We have to gently heat that slide. Okay. After we have to add a few drops of crystal violet. Then we have to 30 to 60 seconds. We have to gently wash that slide. We have to kept aside. After dry that slide, we have to observe under the